Me and Dad have reached Elante Mall parking, and we are attending launch of Trident 660 today at Triumph Krishna Chandigarh. Super excited. It's my bike. I pre-ordered it in November itself. Beautiful day today. Super excited. Been waiting for around 5-6 months now. It's one of the most awaited bikes everywhere in the world actually. Definitely going to be a category leader. इंडिया में बहुत कम ऑप्शंस है मिडिल वेट नेकेड सेगमेंट में, एंड कावासाकी रूल कर रहा था ये मार्केट. ओवरसीज यामा वाज आल्सो लीडिंग, सो इन इंडिया आई थिंक दिस इज गोना गिव वेरी बिग competition to Kawasaki Z650, Z900 as well. How are you, Vipin ji? कैसे हैं?
All good.
Excited?
Perfect. Very excited. Very excited.
How are you, Hajir? कैसे हो? अरे here it is. 5.5-6 months wait. Finally. Triumph Krishna, Chandigarh.